Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain how to copy a table style to another file. Okay, so let's suppose this is my table format. So I want to copy same table style to other file. So this type of scenarios we are using two options. One is select this particular sheet and right click. Okay, see here we have option called move or copy option. Select this option, then select sheet 2. So where you are copy this table style. So I am copying this table style sheet 1 to sheet 2. So that's why I'm selecting the sheet 2 option. Then select create a copy option, then click on OK button. See, automatically new sheet is created and same table style format is copied to this sheet. Okay, this is the one of the option, copy table style format to one file to another file. Next I will show you one more option. Okay, first select entire table, just double click on this. See, automatically it will select whole table. Just press Ctrl C, then go to another file, sheet 2. Same we can use Ctrl V option. See, automatically same table style gets copy over here. Like this we can copy table style from one file to another file. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.